Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. Aria has a broken elbow, if you didn't realise, before anyone asks. Foxy's coat is there. We just got back from...
Daddy.
No, where did we come home from?
Ireland.
Ireland. And when we got home, there was a Degustabox in the back garden that I only found yesterday. So we're going to open it. This is paid for by me. It's not PR, but the kids love opening it. It's a snack box. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. But sometimes it's bad, yeah.
But then sometimes there's only like hardly anything so we can actually...
Yeah, which is why I don't get PR, because we are honest about it and we say if it's crap, we say it's crap. Right, Mummy, pick them up.
Yeah.
Right.
Peppa Pig.
August box, you get a little thing here. First thing we've got is Skittles Giant Gooey.
Oh, I've seen that. Look, Peppa Pig.
What are you? What colour do you want?
Green.
Green are the best ones.
Red.
I don't think you'll like these, but you can try one, my man.
And I try red.
Oh shit, I dropped a yellow one. Oh, I dropped a purple one. Get that, Ari. Here you go, mate. Fox immediately doesn't like it. No? Oh, I like them. Oh, they're good. They're yummy. So it says $1.25. In the bin, please.
None.
Oh, go put it in the bin in the kitchen. That's gross. He doesn't like any sweets like this. I knew he wasn't going to like it. It's filled with a gooey citrus centre. Yummy, delicious. Right, we've got some chicken, spicy chicken ramen. £1.20. Wake up your spicy instinct with Korean chicken flavoured noodles. And it's just like a boil, 5-minute jobby. They'll get eaten because I love noodles. Peppa Pig little butter biscuits. These are £1.50, and these are the buttery ones. They do chocolate ones as well. Let's have a look. You good? All right.
They'll get used, won't
They're
they?
quite dry. We need a drink. Luckily, we have one. They don't taste of a lot, but they're all right. They're not overly sweet, obviously, because they're made for kids. This is... There's two of these. This is a raspberry and blueberry vitamin water. This is 85p, and then there's a bigger one as well, which is 125. Delicious. And then there's this one, which is mango and passion fruit, but I'll leave that for Jay because I don't like passion fruit. Nice?
Yeah.
Right, put the lid on. That's a good one. What are you? I'm not going to open this now. This is raspberry, coconut and cashew granola. A little tiny sachet. £1.50. Golden gluten-free toasted oats loaded with raspberries, coconut, cashews, pumpkin seeds, rice and a dollop of almond butter. £1.50. That's 45 grams. That's the tiniest. Fox, hold that so we can see how big it is in your hand. You can see how small that is. That's a tiny bag of granola.
Mama.
Yeah.
Can you make some butter?
Yeah, we can make butter today. We've got two of these. We've got apple and blackcurrant and apple and raspberry. I'll put these in the fridge. These are just the yummy drinks. 69p each. You just twist the top and have it. You can also freeze them, which is nice.
Oh.
We've got all-purpose. It's just a lid, baby. All-purpose savoury seasoning, which is £1.90. Let's give that a sniff.
Not me, because I'll sneeze.
Oh, it smells good. You won't sneeze with that. It smells yummy. That'd be good on like chicken or potatoes. That smells amazing. Yes. Going to use. We've got garlic and herb rice. Just a microwave rice. I think this one will like that because she loves garlic and she loves rice. Mika. We've got chili chutney.
Bubble wrap.
Chili chutney.
Ari, bubble wrap. £4.50.
Give good with a cheese board. That'll get used. I'm not going to open that now because the kids are not going to eat that. We've got another drink. We've got... Oh, it's an iced latte. But it's not cold, so I'm not going to open this now. But it is Yushima. Oh, you could either got an iced latte or a matcha latte. I'm happy with this because I wouldn't have drunk the matcha one. £2. Inventors behind the world's first canned coffee. Created by our founder, Mr. Ushima, in Japan, 1969. He sought for a coffee which could be enjoyed anytime, anywhere. I'm excited for that. And then we've got brunch bars. Oh, chocolate orange. Who wants one of these? Or we've had these before. We know they're going to like these. They love a brunch bar. This can be your morning snack.
Yeah.
Here you go, my mum. What do we think of that box?
Middle.
Middle. Not bad. Not amazing, but yeah, not bad. Is that good?
Yeah.
Right. That's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I love you, bye.